Langsomi pi development block along PMAY Gramin Kapatunjia Puthak Kachingwai. Puluni Patua Klam along Longsing Ronghang Kachikimo Football Kachipate Kiching. HSLC Lapen HS along first Lapen second division ki unduna tumapan KSA Hamren Head Branch Pen Kachuro Jiapan Kachisik. Kardom ataba berta long pen eligibility mungpi non berta ang ton pen arju ikha Haragat subdivision ke parlo langsomi pi development block along posi crazy ani PMAY Gramin Kapachunjia Puthak isi mai pado posi kat use along berta nang pale Pirang ke pen berta ke long ateng ke langsomi pi development block along surihini ra crate troxy criner cap anikana farman PMAY Gramin Kapachunjia Phan Kachingwai aklong paledam Kachingwai along BLCC amaipu BDO lapen engineer atum chetong dun ke hot anikana farman PMAY Gramin ahem ki PG aphan BLCC amaipu engineer atum aphan than pachini Duaramla constituency ke parlo rong jang phong along wosi crazy ani medical camp BC rong asoraphan si langpon pusi baithalang sopen nilitum phirang ke ladak berta nang pale kisu kyun e pen kachingrai thek ji aphan pura ok pran kilang mate medical sai campaign duar amla constituency arlo rong jang phong along wosi crazy ani medical camp padosi rong arada phan si langpon kisu abo kithur adim kamarpha along ta wosi camp ani medical camp bipon takro Puluni Patua Klam along Longsing Ronghang Chikimo Football Kachipate Pangcheng Pontanglo. Jersong Club pen Rangsina Club ang Bong Patusi Kachipate Ingpu. Puluni Sport Association pen Ingkoira Trok Angdeng Ningkan Isek Club League Football Kachipate Wusi Kep ani pen Pangcheng Pontanglo. Longsing Ronghang apan Kachikimo Jia Pansi Pining Talasu Kachipate Pangcheng Pontu. Kapathu Kangpu Amaya Long MEC Dorsing Ronghang Ahema Sorsabina Teronpi Dr. Sarthe Ronghang Pencheng Lok Pinang an Kapathu Aning Kedok Abang Pubang Piatung Chitong Dun Jirsong Club Lapen Rangsina Club ang Bong Sikachipate Pangcheng Pot Non malom so poraphan birta moington paiksina
Made like a gun, goes like a bullet. Sun Motors, authorized dealer of Royal Enfield, Rongkelan, near Don Bosco School, Lifu, 782460, Assam. Easy finance are available here. Please contact 099 579 88 008 or 0789 61 69021.
Outlet brings you an amazing items for your kitchen and dining like Hawkins, Flax, Milton, Treo, etc. Along with makeup, cosmetics, grocery items are also available according to your needs. Atorkini Outlet opposite Langpidahangi Rural Bank, Difu. Karbi Anglong, Assam.
Simonjir Children Park cum picnic spot. A place to visit for sure. The park is filled with eye-catching flowers, some medicinal plants and nursery. A perfect place for your children and family. For more queries, please contact 91014 33731 93652 07012. Simonjir Children Park, Chirikangnet, Ward number 4, Depot, Karbi Anglong.
Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesre alang hithi gulat along longpon ikji. Kang tirtang kijun alang, tharwe alang, theso alang, kecu ajam tu, tharmit aduk, thelua kreng, chitronola, ukthor pen chenglok ongdung Hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dihina mo piputat beta along wang tulo. Surihini ra crazy cap aningkan HSLC lapen HS along Hamren angkang pen kecheng si lapen adun thu angdeng along sadlang angte keche pa unduna tumapan nangkileji wusik niphai crepe ho ani karcho padu ponji pusi KSA Hamren head branch pen wusik niphai crazy ani Perangkia mai kepadopon along mai puti muti rong pipen kaningje pon abirta niletum kat news along perangke hundor kro Hamren pen berta nang pale. Hamren angkang HSLC lapen HS asar lang along kecheng si lapen adun tuang dengki undun atharia sami atum an bangso ni Hamren multi utility building along kachetong dun petja phan kachupa padupon labangso jaimek ahut chiki thurmi ariso ijang atumapan career guidance tami padupon jipusi pachini charlang ki undun atum pen ang parda kacharli ariso ijang apia po lapen Hamren arat do anta bang sukar jo mayalong kachitong dun et jiapan KSA Hamren head branch pen kachuning ri padupon thu.
To pining itu mada Hamren KSA Hamren head branch pen kerangke amai te phapon alam ke lapelo nilitung pining alamso suring apeser kya banita Hamren center pen HSLC la pen HS asarlang kiun first la pen second division asarlang kiun Ipai kerep korni karjo poni man jisiko labangso karjo mayelong career guidance tamin itu ponji lapen labangso amai kapi do ponjedim lada MUB multi utility building lapen por banke por pai kepen HSLC lapen HS labangso isi lapen hinyang next undun student lapen parents lapen guardian tum stame nang tum najitong duni wekha lapen lada Hamren along stame la chirok togarat atuman stame labangso mailong nang tum Lalu se alira cham na penadi na pi duni fancy chokhapan lo.
Karbi Anglong dipurong supi amekar Bisnuram Nunisa aphan non hejong geng tok along Dr. Abdul Kalam Rastriya Samata anong epajir pusi latak berta nang pale. Pato ahin kelang lapen RD kedo abang phumate dipurong supi amlapati amekar Bisnuram Nunisa aphan non hejong geng tok along Dr. Abdul Kalam Rastriya Samata anong epajir pontanglo. Alang ni Pan Sikkim ok Pransai Kam Minister Dr. M.K. Sarma pensila so KP along anong kido anong ipajirpon. Nong ikapajir amay long Bhutan Sorkar toklang Minister Parim Thakur S. Ponder Sikkim Legislative Assembly Deputy Speaker DB Gurung lapen pinangan kithikiding atum chitong dun. Ada pa berita bangkela bonsikang ton pa iklo dumi thakmi kurwang thu.